They tell you good ride, cowboy, good ride. Take a ride.
Well, we're here once again today, barbecuing at Victoria BMW, home of Noel Holmes and Greg Peterson. And today we have an unusual service item here. What brand of microwave is this? Oh, it's a Danby. For all your microwaving needs. And Greg thought it would be a good idea to cook Mr. Noodles with no, oh my goodness, no water. This is kind of how things worked out, not so well. So we don't recommend it, but this sucker's it's just dicked. Let's get this thing out of here.
No, what are you doing?
No, we're recycling this microwave. How much garbage is in here? Oh, it's too much. It won't even make any noise, but
Throw it at the very back.
Is it dickered? Oh, it's
Oh, smell.
Let's get out of here.
Great guy.
Oh yeah.
Six o'clock on Friday evening, Mama doesn't know she's leaving till she hears the screamer slamming, rubber squealing.